Today, we're focusing on the flagship headphones of the year, the Xiaomi Buds 5, after a year-and-a-half absence. It's the first headphone from Xiaomi to support aptX lossless audio encoding under low-energy audio, and it's also the first headphone from Xiaomi to support aptX adaptive low latency. And to differentiate itself, Xiaomi has integrated audio recording into the headset, a new feature that has not been seen in the mobile brand's headset lineup so far. Alongside new foldables, a smartphone, and a smartwatch, Xiaomi also launched the Buds 5 TWS earphones. These are not to be confused with the Redmi Buds 5 that are available in the international markets. The Xiaomi Buds 5 arrive as the successor to the Buds 4 that debuted way back in 2022. The Xiaomi Buds 5 features a dual-tone design with a glossy finish stem and the earbuds part with a matte texture. They give a premium look and feel. The TWS earphones are lightweight, measuring just 4 grams. They are designed in such a way to fit the curve of the human ear comfortably. The audio device is IP54 certified, dust and water resistant. Their Buds 5 come with smart controls for performing various functions. They can also generate content summaries with one click. In the audio department, the Xiaomi Buds 5 are equipped with 11mm drivers. There is active noise cancellation for filtering out surrounding noise, and 3 inbuilt mics in each earbud with AI noise cancellation delivers crystal clear quality on calls. The TWS earphones feature Qualcomm aptX lossless that delivers audio in original quality without any compression. Xiaomi has also teamed up with Harman's Golden Ear team for a customized and various sound effects. The audio device also offers spatial sound experience and supports Dolby Atmos through a compatible connected Xiaomi phone. The Xiaomi Buds 5 is powered by a 408 mAh battery, with each earbud backed by a 35 mAh cell. It is claimed to offer 6.5 hours of usage, with the battery extending to 39 hours. The TWS earphones can be paired quickly when the storage case is opened. It can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. In terms of sound quality, in our tests, both deep bass and clear treble were accurately reproduced, and every detail of vocals and instruments came to life, thanks to the advantages of aptX lossless transmission. In terms of noise reduction, the Xiaomi Buds 5's 3 Plus AI call noise reduction technology effectively reduces the interference of background noise and wind, providing a clear, distraction-free call experience even in noisy environments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.